What's up everybody, my name is Will Auroch, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness. And today we're going over my brand new Viennese Waltz. Yes, the singer and songwriter of this wonderful dance is Calum Scott, and you are the reason. All right, so we have to wait 8 counts before we start even moving in the song. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then we cross with my right leg towards my left hand side. I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now that I've done it 4 times, I'm now going to lift my left leg off the ground in the air. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that I've done those 4, now I'm going to go into like a pas de bourrée, except for instead of continuing the pas de bourrée, it comes back to the middle so I can go on both sides. So I go like this, and I go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. From here, now I'm going to take my left arm and I'm going to bring it forward, and I'm going to go slightly towards you guys. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. From here, I'm going to go backwards now, and my hands are going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Then I go back down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Here, I like to call this an alley-oop. We jump, our hands go in a circle, and I reach 1. A little circle here with my arm, and then I go to the other side. We do this also 4 times. That's 3 and 4. Then we have 2 more counts. So I go to 1 more 8, I go alley-oop, and I go reach 3 times. 3, 2, 1, other side, and 3, 2, 1. I wait for the music, and we start from the top. By the way, when I do these little signals and stuff like that, there's a cue card you guys can check out. Go check out that video that tells you all the cues that I use in my class, and many other instructors do as well. So here we go, and we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From here, I jump now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I've done those 4, back into the pas de bourrée, and 4, 3, 2, 1, forward, 4, 3, 2, 1, backward, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4, 2, 3, 1, and alley-oop. 1, and reach, 2, and reach, 3, and reach, 4, and reach, and 3 in place. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. From here, we start it again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back to lifting just the leg. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, finish my 4, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, alley-oop. 1, reach, 2, reach, 1, reach, 2, reach, and 3 times. 1, 3, 2, 1. Second time. 3, 2, 1. Last time, we do this 4 times in total, so we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We go back to the jumping. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, yep. 1, 2, 3, and finish my 4. Back into the pas de bourrées. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alley-oop. 1, 1, 2. 2 more. 3, 4, and 3 times. 3, 2, 1. Last one. 3, 2, 1. So a couple things before we finish up. I want you guys to think about this. This is a Viennese waltz, so it's a really fast and traditional waltz. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's not like your slow waltz or your English waltz that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So it's a little bit faster. So your steps do not need to be as large. Remember that golden rule I said in my last video? That's right. When you have fast music, smaller steps so you can keep in the timing of the music. Once again, I'm Will Auroch, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and I hope you enjoyed and found value in this video. And if you did, wow, smash that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell right next to it so it lets you know when all my videos are coming your way. Also in the description down below, you'll see more information about this video, and you'll see some dance products that will help you dance better on the dance floor, whether it's dance fitness or it's dancing in general. And last but not least, there is a link so you can participate in this channel's success. Anything and everything is welcome. So once again, thank you for stopping by, and I will see you on the dance floor.